Egypt, a journey through time. Welcome to Egypt, a land where history breathes through every stone, every temple, and every bend of the mighty Nile River. This is a country that has fascinated travelers, historians, archaeologists, and dreamers for thousands of years. A land where some of humanity's greatest achievements were born. A place where ancient civilizations rose, flourished, and left behind wonders that continue to amaze the world today. From the colossal pyramids standing proudly against the desert sky to the magnificent temples of Upper Egypt. From the origins of Coptic Christianity to the golden age of Islamic civilization, Egypt offers a journey unlike any other. Today, we invite you to embark on an unforgettable adventure through the land and culture of Egypt, where it all began. Our story begins along the banks of the Nile River, the lifeline of Egypt and one of the most important rivers in human history. For thousands of years, the Nile has nourished the land, provided transportation, and connected communities across vast distances. Ancient Greek historian Herodotus famously described Egypt as the gift of the Nile. And even today, this description remains remarkably accurate. Every year, the river's floods deposited rich, fertile soil onto the surrounding land, creating ideal conditions for agriculture. This allowed one of the world's earliest civilizations to flourish in the middle of an otherwise harsh desert environment. As communities grew along the riverbanks, Egypt evolved into a powerful kingdom that would shape the course of human history. More than 5,000 years ago, the ancient Egyptians developed a sophisticated society with advanced systems of government, writing, engineering, mathematics, astronomy, and medicine. They built monumental structures that continue to inspire awe even in the modern age. No symbol represents ancient Egypt more powerfully than the Great Pyramids of Giza. Rising majestically from the desert plateau near Cairo, these incredible structures have stood for more than 4,500 years. The largest of them, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, was once the tallest man-made structure on Earth, constructed using millions of stone blocks, each weighing several tons. The pyramid remains one of the greatest engineering achievements in history. Even today, experts continue to debate exactly how these massive stones were transported and assembled with such precision. Nearby stands another iconic monument, the Great Sphinx. With the body of a lion and the head of a king, the Sphinx has silently watched over the Giza Plateau for millennia. Its mysterious expression has inspired countless legends and theories. Together, the pyramids and the Sphinx represent the extraordinary ambition, creativity, and spiritual beliefs of ancient Egyptian civilization. But Egypt's story extends far beyond Giza. Travel south along the Nile, and a treasure trove of magnificent temples and monuments begins to unfold. The ancient city of Luxor is often described as the world's greatest open-air museum. Here, visitors can explore the magnificent Karnak temple complex, one of the largest religious structures ever built. For over 2,000 years, successive pharaohs expanded this vast complex, adding colossal columns, towering obelisks, and intricately decorated sanctuaries. Walking through Karnak is like stepping directly into the ancient world. Nearby lies Luxor Temple, another masterpiece of Egyptian architecture. Illuminated at night, its majestic columns and statues create an unforgettable atmosphere that transports visitors back to the age of the pharaohs. Across the river lies the Valley of the Kings, the final resting place of many of Egypt's most powerful rulers. Hidden among the desert hills are elaborately decorated tombs filled with colorful paintings and inscriptions. These tombs provide remarkable insights into ancient Egyptian beliefs about life, death, and the afterlife. Perhaps the most famous of these tombs belongs to the boy king, Tutankhamun. Although his reign was relatively short, the discovery of his nearly intact tomb in 1922 became one of archaeology's greatest achievements. The treasures found within captivated the world and revealed the extraordinary wealth and craftsmanship of ancient Egypt. Further south, visitors encounter even more breathtaking monuments. The temples of Edfu and Kom Ombo showcase the architectural brilliance and religious traditions of later periods in Egyptian history. Yet perhaps no temple inspires greater admiration than Abu Simbel, carved directly into a mountainside by Pharaoh Ramses II. The colossal statues guarding its entrance are among the most impressive sights in the world. In the 1960s, an international effort led by UNESCO carefully relocated the entire temple complex to save it from rising waters caused by the construction of the Aswan High Dam. This remarkable rescue operation stands as one of the greatest preservation projects ever undertaken. Many of Egypt's historical treasures have earned recognition as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These sites preserve invaluable evidence of human creativity, innovation, and cultural achievement. Some date back to Egypt's Old Kingdom, which flourished between approximately 2575 and 2150 BCE. During this era, monumental architecture reached unprecedented heights, laying the foundation for many of the achievements that followed. The influence of ancient Egypt extended far beyond its borders. Its advances in engineering, mathematics, medicine, art, and governance influenced neighboring civilizations and continue to inspire modern society. Hieroglyphic writing allowed Egyptians to record their history, beliefs, and achievements in remarkable detail. Their understanding of astronomy helped shape calendars and agricultural planning. Their architectural innovations enabled the construction of monuments that have endured for thousands of years. Yet Egypt is not merely a land of ancient stones. Its history continued to evolve through new cultures, religions, and empires. One of the most significant chapters began with the arrival of Christianity. Egypt became one of the earliest centers of Christian faith. According to tradition, Saint Mark introduced Christianity to Alexandria during the 1st century. Over time, Egypt developed a rich Christian heritage that remains an important part of the country's identity today. The Coptic Orthodox Church emerged as one of the world's oldest Christian communities. Its monasteries, churches, manuscripts, and traditions preserve centuries of spiritual and cultural history. Ancient monasteries, hidden within Egypt's deserts, continue to attract pilgrims and visitors seeking to connect with this remarkable legacy. As centuries passed, Egypt entered another transformative era with the arrival of Islam in the 7th century. Cairo emerged as one of the most important centers of Islamic learning, culture, and architecture. Magnificent mosques, madrasas, palaces, and markets transformed the city into a vibrant center of intellectual and artistic achievement. The historic districts of Islamic Cairo remain among the most fascinating areas in the world. Their narrow streets, bustling bazaars, and architectural masterpieces tell stories of centuries of trade, scholarship, and cultural exchange. Mosques such as Sultan Hassan and Al-Azhar stand as enduring symbols of Egypt's rich Islamic heritage. Today, visitors can experience this remarkable history while exploring one of the most dynamic cities on Earth. Modern Cairo is a fascinating blend of ancient wonders and contemporary life, where the past and present coexist in extraordinary harmony. While Egypt's cities and monuments tell remarkable stories, perhaps the most magical way to experience the country is from the waters of the Nile itself. For thousands of years, This legendary river has connected the people of Egypt. It carried traders, farmers, pilgrims, and pharaohs. It transported stone for temples, goods for markets, and ideas that shaped civilizations. Today, travelers continue this timeless tradition by embarking on Nile cruises that journey between Luxor and Aswan. As the boat glides gently across the water, scenes of daily life unfold along the riverbanks. Farmers tend their fields, using methods passed down through generations. Children play near the water's edge. Fishermen cast their nets into the river, just as their ancestors did centuries ago. Palm trees sway in the warm breeze, while golden desert landscapes stretch toward the horizon. The Nile offers a perspective of Egypt that cannot be experienced any other way. Most modern cruises provide comfort and convenience, combining luxury accommodations with access to Egypt's most important historical sites. Yet for travelers seeking a deeper connection to the past, there is another option: the traditional dahabeah. Long before large cruise ships traveled the Nile, elegant dahabeah boats carried explorers, scholars, nobles, and adventurers along the river. Powered primarily by sails and guided by the rhythm of the wind, these vessels evoke the romance of a bygone era. A journey aboard a dahabeah is peaceful and intimate. There is no rush, no engine noise dominating the landscape, only the gentle sound of water and wind accompanying the voyage. It is an experience that allows visitors to slow down and appreciate the timeless beauty of Egypt. As the sun rises over the Nile, the landscape is bathed in golden light. Ancient temples appear on the horizon like visions from another age. Villages emerge from groves of date palms. The river reveals scenes that have remained largely unchanged for centuries. This is the Egypt that inspired poets, travelers, and dreamers throughout history. Beyond its monuments and landscapes, Egypt is also a country rich in culture and tradition. Its people are known throughout the world for their warmth, hospitality, and strong sense of community. Visitors are often welcomed not as strangers but as honored guests. Family remains at the heart of Egyptian society. Traditional values coexist with modern aspirations, creating a vibrant and dynamic culture. Throughout the country, ancient customs continue to influence everyday life. From celebrations and festivals to music and storytelling, Egypt's cultural heritage remains deeply rooted in its past. Egyptian cuisine offers another fascinating window into the nation's identity. Meals often bring families and friends together around tables filled with delicious flavors and centuries-old recipes. Dishes such as koshari, ful madams, molokhia, and freshly baked bread reflect a rich culinary tradition shaped by geography, history, and cultural exchange. In bustling markets, visitors can discover aromatic spices, colorful produce, handcrafted goods, and traditional sweets. The atmosphere is vibrant and energetic. Every corner offers a new sensory experience. The sounds of merchants calling out to customers blend with conversations, laughter, and the rhythm of daily life. Music has always played an important role in Egyptian culture. From ancient ceremonial performances to contemporary artistic expressions, music remains a powerful form of storytelling. Traditional instruments and melodies continue to preserve connections to the past while inspiring new generations of artists. Art also flourishes throughout Egypt. Ancient tomb paintings, intricate Islamic geometric designs, Coptic iconography, and modern creative works all contribute to a rich artistic legacy. Every period of Egyptian history has left its mark on the nation's cultural landscape. This remarkable continuity is one reason Egypt continues to captivate the world. The country's heritage spans thousands of years without losing its sense of identity. Ancient temples stand beside modern cities. Historic traditions coexist with contemporary innovation. Few places on Earth demonstrate such a profound connection between past and present. Egypt's commitment to preserving its heritage is evident in ongoing archaeological discoveries and restoration projects. Even today, archaeologists continue uncovering new tombs, artifacts, and ancient settlements. Each discovery adds another chapter to humanity's understanding of one of history's greatest civilizations. Museums across the country protect and display priceless treasures. Among them are statues, jewelry, manuscripts, mummies, and artifacts that reveal the daily lives, beliefs, and achievements of people who lived thousands of years ago. These collections serve as bridges between generations. They remind us that despite the passage of time, the hopes, dreams, and challenges of ancient people were often remarkably similar to our own. As our journey through Egypt continues, one theme becomes increasingly clear. This is a land of continuity, a place where history is not confined to museums or monuments. It lives within the landscapes, traditions, and communities that continue to shape the nation today. Whether standing before the Great Pyramid, walking through the halls of Karnak, sailing on a traditional dahabeah, or exploring the vibrant streets of Cairo, visitors encounter a living story that spans millennia. Every monument tells a tale. Every riverbank holds a memory. Every stone carries the imprint of countless generations. Egypt teaches us that civilizations may rise and fall, but their influence can endure forever. Its achievements in architecture, science, religion, art, and culture continue to inspire people around the globe. The pyramids remain symbols of human ambition. The temples reflect extraordinary devotion and creativity. The Nile continues to nurture life just as it has for thousands of years. And the people of Egypt carry forward a heritage that belongs not only to their nation but to all humanity. As the sun sets over the desert and the final golden rays illuminate the ancient monuments, it becomes clear why Egypt has captured the imagination of travelers for centuries. This is more than a destination. It is a journey through time itself, a place where every step reveals another layer of history, a place where the ancient world still whispers its stories to those willing to listen. As we prepare to conclude our adventure, we leave with a deeper appreciation for the remarkable civilization that helped shape our world. From the Old Kingdom in the age of the pharaohs to the rise of Christianity, the flourishing of Islamic culture, and the vibrant nation that exists today, Egypt remains a testament to the resilience and creativity of the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable exploration of Egypt, a land of wonders, a land of legends, a land where history comes alive. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the incredible stories our world has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next journey through history.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.